Hey there, you've got to check out version 1.5. It's packed with awesome updates. We've added a custom ribbon tab and a button that launches the super sleek new user interface UI. Click that button, and the UI pops up with two list boxes. The first list box has all the attorney names from an Excel file right in the same folder. Just pick an attorney, and boom, all their info shows up in the labels next to it. The second list box is for templates. Select a template, and it creates all the necessary input fields right on the UI. For example, the email field will appear from this control. We've used titles as placeholders and tags to show if the control is for Word or Excel. Plus, there's a handy date picker calendar icon. Once you've filled in everything, hit the Submit button, and it'll save all your entries into the template in the same folder. You can then easily move on to the next template, fill it out, and submit to create individual client files in no time.